Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. If you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my course. Links are given below in the description box. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course 2, links are given below. Okay, and for personal reading and healing sessions, you'll find the links in the description box. So let's start. Wow, the cards are kind of falling. 26, we have the fighting. Now you might end up fighting with somebody, or you are going to have some kind of inner conflicts, inner fears that is going to convert into some kind of frustration or anger, and you might end up fighting with somebody because of your own inner conflicts. Try to be calm, try to be mindful of whatever you are going to do, or not to react or overreact, okay, this particular day, because it's going to turn into some kind of ugly spat or something that you are going to not like later on. So it's better to stay with yourself, or try to just detach for the time being, for some time, from everybody, because until unless you are going to feel at peace, you are going to create some kind of ruckus here, not knowingly but unknowingly. 27th, we have the understanding. Now in order to you know get the reality check here, the reality here is nobody can stop you from achieving what you want in your life. It's just your limiting belief, it's just your perception that they are stopping me, circumstances are stopping me. See, it takes a lot of courage and strength, lot of it, to go for what you really really want in your life. But you all the time blaming others, you all the time blaming the circumstances, other people's situations and things, for not being able to like take a stand for yourself, is not going to help you in any way. You have to understand that you are the only one who is stopping yourself from going where you should go. Okay, taking the responsibility of your own decisions and of your own life. 26, 27, 28, we have the courage. See, if you want to do something different, if you want to do something out of the box, you have to have the courage and the strength to stand alone in the thick and the thin, because there are going to be lots of obstacles and challenges and lots of people who are not going to support you. You have to have that strength and courage to fight for yourself, to stand for yourself. If you have that, you are definitely going to get the success and victory, even if the circumstances, even if the whole world is against you. But courage and strength is required. Rebellious energy. 26, 27, 28, 29th, we have the change. Change is the only constant, Pisces, and you have to keep reminding it to yourself that change is the only constant. Change is the only constant. The more you are going to resist change, the more it's going to be difficult for you to follow the constant, and the constant is the change only. Okay, change is the only constant. So try to go with the flow, try to adapt with the changes one day at a time. Don't try to resist changes, because you cannot. Eventually, either even if you are going to like it or not, change is the only constant here. Everything changes with time, everything. You, me, a person that you are madly in love with, the person, everybody, everything. Okay, nothing is permanent. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30th, we have the playfulness. See, the more you are going to take life not so seriously and live your life in a playful manner, like a kid enjoying every moment of the day, the more your life is going to be peaceful and smoother. The more you are going to feel alive, and the more you are going to feel alive, the more universe is going to give you more reasons to be alive and happy. That's the thing here. It's not the vice versa. It's like the more you are going to be playful and happy, the more you are going to get the reasons to be more playful and happy. It's not like you should be happy first, then you are going to be playful and happy. It's actually the reverse. 31st, we have the politics. I'm getting this card a lot today. So a lot of people are going through the energies of manipulations by the other people here, and the people who are like pretending to be their friends or well wishers, but actually they are the snakes in the skin of people. Don't overtrust, don't overshare, and try to keep your things and your plans to yourself, because somebody will definitely try to pretend to be something else or someone else that they are not. Okay, so beware of these kind of politics going on behind your back. And then we have on the first, receptivity. In order to be at peace with yourself and with people, situations and things around you, you have to be in the receptive mode. And how to be in the receptive mode? Just go with the flow, that just let things happen the way they are happening. Just affirm to the universe that I'm ready to receive the guidance, the abundance, the prosperity, or my manifestation. You have to be in the receiving mode, You have to be in the going with the flow kind of mode in order to receive the blessings and the lessons that are actually good for you and meant for you. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, honey.